Hi everybody, it's me, Lupus Journey. I got a box today, and it was free, and I wanted to do a little review for you guys, and also put some information down here if you're interested in maybe ordering a free box for yourself, and then maybe, I don't know, getting on their monthly program. It is a program that once you get the free box, you do have to sign up for it, and you do, I believe I put my credit card information in, because once they send you the free box, in 30 days you'll get like a monthly, your first of monthly shipments. But you can pick and choose what you want, or you can cancel it. You know, I ordered mine and then canceled it, but I think I might do it for a few months, just because what I had was really good. And so then I'm thinking now that I want to try some other products that they have. But it's called, let's see, can you see it? It's called Nature Box. And they specialize in, let's see, how could I see this? In having like over 100 wholesome snacks that you can choose from. So I'm going to take a few of these out. I'm not sure I'll do all of them. Maybe I'll taste all of them. The first one is Cashew Crumble, and it is a cookie-coated cashew. That's what this is. Cookie-coated cashews. You see that? Don't penalize me for my nails. I haven't done them. I didn't do them last weekend, and I started peeling the paint off, so that's not good. But at any rate, this cookie-coated cashews, the serving size is 1/4 cup, and servings per container is about 6, I think it says, and then the calories are 100 and, can't see it. Let me use my flashlight. It is 170 calories. So let me just open this. And I'll take one out and show you what it looks like. It actually looks like a cookie coated cashew. Like maybe cashews just in crumbled up cookies or something. It's pretty good. See if I can find a bigger one. Oh, there's a big one. See if you can see this one better. So this is the cookie coated cashew. We're sitting here looking at The Walking Dead, me and my daughter. Okay, so this one here, the cookie coated cashew, I recommend. It's very good. It's light. It's very light. It's almost light and fluffy. You can taste the cashew. You can taste the cookie. Almost like a chocolate chip cookie without the chocolate. Okay. Next one I'll try. I bet I'll eat that one up in one day. This one here I'll let my daughter try. And it is Garden Tomato Crunchies. Let me get this up here for you. Garden Tomato Crunchies. And it's tomato flavored almonds. And They're just very small, like nuts. Okay. Oh. Hmm. It's almost spicy. Almost like tomato basil or something. Hmm. I recommend this, but I may not order. I might, because I'm having my crowns put on next week. So I'm not sure if eating a lot of nuts is going to be something I can do. But that one is good. I like it because it has a little pizzazz to it. It's not spicy like hot spicy, where you would not be able to tolerate it. But it just has just a little kick to it. And it's really good. Another one I have here is coconut cashews. And this one here basically speaks for itself. And it's probably, it doesn't say flavored on it, but I'm assuming that it's flavored. So I'm going to try to open this. Snack day, Saturday. Okay. Here's what it looks like. It looks like a, just a regular cashew with some kind of coating on it. Right here. Okay. And, oh, bet you $5 that is the coconut that we're looking at. Okay. Hmm. Very strong coconut taste. If you don't like coconut, you may not like this, but I love coconut, so I really like it. The cashews are very soft and easy to chew. They're not hard. I like that. And another pack is cinnamon swirl kettle kernels. And so I'm wondering if it's like a popcorn thing or something. It says cinnamon roasted corn kernels. I'm still chewing. I think I'm moving too fast. I'm not giving myself enough time to chew because I have these temporary crowns in, and one came out off, so I can only chew on one side. Thank you. Making a video. Let's see what these look like. Yeah, corn kernels. I hope I don't get this caught. And it is actually a corn kernel. Let me show you. Okay. Let me place mine. Taste the cinnamon. Not a very strong taste. Just tastes like cinnamon on a popcorn kernel with nothing else. It's good, but the cinnamon taste is not very strong. The corn taste is not very strong. And so it's good, you know, if you're interested in maybe ordering some, it's good. However, I don't think I would be ordering that one just because they're too small and hard. That stuck me in the top of my mouth. Okay. And here is the last one that I got in my free box. And this is sea salt sun crunch. And it is sunflower and sesame seeds seeded crackers. So it's sunflower and sesame seeded crackers. And this is the sea salt sun crunch. So let's taste this. And I'll show you one. Here you go. And that's how it looks. Looks pretty good, huh? Let's taste it. Not heavy on the sea salt, which is good. It's a little hard. It's a very good crunchy snack if you're wanting something a little salty, but not, excuse me, not anything that's gonna shoot your blood pressure up or anything. And something that has a little crunch to it, this would be good. It's pretty good. So those are the things I got in my freebie box today. And again, it is Nature Box. And you can go to here's the web address, naturebox.com/Dish Nation, like the TV show Dish Nation. And if you go there, you can sign up for your free box, and they'll just you can pick what you want in your box, or you can just click the little surprise me button and they will just pick something for you and send. Okay? But they're supposed to have like over 100 items, and like I said, it's very very light tasting snacks. I noticed over the last couple of months I've really been kind of changing some of the ways that I eat, not consciously. Just my desires and taste and foods and stuff is kind of changing for the better. That's good. I rarely eat red meat anymore. I've been just doing chicken and fish for months, and so okay, I'm going on 15 minutes. I didn't want to take this long. I'm gonna have to exit so I can finish chewing what's in my jaws. I'm looking like a chipmunk. So if you do try it, if you do go out there and you order and try it, please do another review. Just respond to this video and do a response review so I can see what you think. And then also, you know, if you get some different flavors, do reviews so I can see those too, because I may want to go ahead and do it for a few months, because like I said, they're really good. They're good snacks. Um, and I'm trying to not eat as much, you know, um, sugary cereals like I used to eat for my snacks and stuff like that because it was quick. So at any rate, that's it. It's Saturday. It's nice and sunny here in California. And I will talk to you guys soon. Loopy lovies, pools of spoons, and fluffy little puppies. Bye-bye.